Polity Top 30 MCQ. Question number 1. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 2. The preamble of Indian Constitution is based on which historic document? Correct answer option B. Government of India Act 1935. Question number 3. The right to equality is mentioned in which article? Correct answer option B. Article 14 to 18. Question number 4. Which fundamental right was removed from the original list by the 44th Amendment? Correct answer option D. Right to property. Question number 5. The directive principle of state policy DPSP borrowed from the Constitution of? Correct answer option B. Ireland. Question number 6. Which article of the Indian Constitution deal with abolition of untouchability? Correct answer option C. Article 17. Question number 7. How many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? Correct answer option B. 6. Question number 8. Which article allows the President to declare national emergency? Correct answer option B. Article 352. Question number 9. Which case is associated with the basic structure of doctrine? Correct answer option B. Keswanand Bharti case. Question number 10. The Right to Education RTI Act 2029 is associated with which fundamental right? Correct answer option C. Article 21A. Question number 11. The Rajya Sabha members are elected for a term of? Correct answer option A. 6 years. Question number 12. How many nominated members are there in the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer option B. 12. Question number 13. The maximum strength of the Lok Sabha as per the Constitution is? Correct answer option C. 552. Question number 14. The first speaker of the Lok Sabha was? Correct answer option A. G.V. Mavlankar. Question number 15. The Supreme Court of India was established in? Correct answer option B. 26 January 1950. Question number 16. Which Amendment Act reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Correct answer option C. 61st Amendment Act. Question number 17. Who administered the oath to the President of India? Correct answer option B. Chief Justice of India. Question number 18. The highest law officer in a state is? Correct answer option A. Advocate General. Question number 19. The first Constitution Amendment Act was passed in? Correct answer option B. 1951. Question number 20. The anti-defection law was introduced by which amendment? Correct answer option D. 52 and amendment. Question number 21. Which article define equality before law and equal protection of law? Correct answer option C. Article 14. Question number 22. The member of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of? Correct answer option B. 5 years. Question number 23. How many parts has the Indian Constitution been divided? Correct answer option D. 22. Question 24. In the Panchayati Raj system, the Panchayati Samiti is constituted at the? Correct answer option B. Block level. Question number 25. Who was the first deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha? Correct answer option B. S.V. Krishnamurti Rao. Question 26. The legislature having two houses is known as? Correct answer option B. Bicameral. Question 27. The official legal advisor to the state government is? Correct answer option C. The Advocate General. Question 28. How many women were elected to the first Lok Sabha? Correct answer option A 22. Question 29. Which president of India elected unopposed? Correct answer option C. Sanjeeva Reddy. Question number 30. A judge of High Court can resign given to whom? Correct answer option D. President.